Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Lessons and Podcast, where learning English is simple, fun, and totally stress-free. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Michael. Hello, Sarah. And hello to all of you amazing listeners out there.
Michael, I have to tell you something. This morning, I woke up at 5:30 a.m.
What? 5:30? That is so early. Why did you do that?
because I wanted to start my day the right way. And you know what? It completely changed everything.
Changed everything? That sounds dramatic.
I am serious. By 7 a.m., I had already exercised, eaten breakfast, and read a book. I felt like a superhero.
Okay, now I am interested. You felt like a superhero just from waking up early.
Yes, and that is exactly what we're going to talk about today.
Let me guess. Morning routines?
Exactly. We are going to discuss why your morning routine can change your entire life, and we'll learn tons of useful English words and phrases along the way.
I love this topic. Everyone wants to have better mornings.
They do. Whether you're a student, a worker, or even retired, how you start your day matters so much.
But Sarah, before we jump into morning coffee and exercise,
Yes, Michael?
we need to ask our wonderful listeners for a tiny favor.
Oh, yes, the most important favor.
If you are enjoying this podcast right now, please hit that subscribe button for Easy English Lessons and Podcast.
Yes, click subscribe. It really helps us create more content for you every single week.
And if you are watching on YouTube, give us a thumbs up. Smash that like button.
Share this episode with your friends, your family, your English teacher, anyone who wants to improve their English.
Maybe your friend who always sleeps until noon?
Yes, exactly. Send it to that friend and say, hey, listen to this. You need a better morning routine.
Thank you so much, everyone. Your support means the world to us.
Okay, Michael, let's talk about mornings. So tell me, what time do you usually wake up?
Honestly, around 7:30 or 8 o'clock.
That is not bad. Do you use an alarm?
Oh, yes. I use 3 alarms
3 alarms? Why 3?
because I hit the snooze button. Do you know what snooze means?
Yes, snooze is when you press a button to sleep for 5 or 10 more minutes.
Exactly. My first alarm rings at 7 o'clock, then I hit snooze. Then it rings again at 7:10, I hit snooze again.
Michael, that is terrible for you.
I know, but I love my bed. It is so warm and comfortable.
I understand, but here's the problem. When you keep hitting snooze, you never feel fully rested.
Really? Why is that?
Because you're breaking your sleep cycle. Your brain gets confused. It doesn't know if you are waking up or sleeping.
Sleep cycle. That's interesting. Can you explain?
Sure, when we sleep, our brain goes through different stages: light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep.
REM, sleep. What is that?
REM means rapid eye movement. It's when you dream. If you wake up during the right stage, you feel good. But if you keep snoozing, you wake up during the wrong stage.
And then you feel tired all day.
Exactly. You feel groggy.
Groggy. That is a great word. It means tired and confused, right?
Yes, like your head is full of clouds. You cannot think clearly.
I feel groggy every morning. Now I know why.
So, Michael, here's my advice. Put your alarm across the room.
Across the room? Not next to my bed?
No, if your phone is far away, you have to get out of bed to turn it off.
Oh, that's clever. Then I'm already standing.
Exactly. And once you're standing, it's easier to stay awake.
I will try that tomorrow. But Sarah, what do you do when you wake up at 5:30?
Great question. I have a whole routine. First, I do not look at my phone.
You don't look at your phone? Not even for 1 second?
No, looking at your phone immediately is a bad habit. It fills your mind with messages, emails, and news before you're even awake.
That's true. Sometimes I check Instagram in bed and suddenly 1 hour has passed.
Exactly. Social media is a time thief.
Time thief. I like that phrase.
So, instead of my phone, I drink a big glass of water.
Water? First thing?
Yes, when you sleep for 8 hours, your body gets dehydrated. That means you need water.
Dehydrated. That makes sense. We don't drink water while we sleep.
Right, so drinking water helps wake up your body from the inside.
How much water?
At least one full glass. Some people drink 2 glasses.
Okay, I can do that. Water, no phone. What's next?
Next, I stretch for 5 minutes.
Stretch. You mean like touching your toes?
Yes, stretching means moving your body gently to wake up your muscles. I reach my arms up high, bend down to touch the floor, twist my back.
That sounds nice. Does it hurt?
No, it should feel good. You're not exercising hard, you're just telling your body, hey, it's time to move.
I like that. Gentle movements. What about coffee? When do you drink coffee?
Ah, coffee. Everyone's favorite topic.
I cannot function without coffee. I need it immediately.
I used to be like that, but now I wait 30 minutes before drinking coffee.
Wait 30 minutes? Why?
Because when you first wake up, your body produces a hormone called cortisol.
Cortisol? What is that?
Cortisol is a natural chemical that helps you wake up. If you drink coffee immediately, it blocks the cortisol.
So the coffee makes you more tired later?
Kind of. It's better to let your natural cortisol work first, then drink coffee after 30 or 60 minutes.
Wow, I did not know that. I learn something new every day.
That's the goal of this podcast.
So water, stretching, wait for coffee. What about breakfast?
Breakfast is very important, but it depends on the person.
What do you mean?
Some people prefer a big breakfast: eggs, toast, fruit, maybe some yogurt.
That sounds delicious.
Other people prefer a light breakfast, just a banana and some nuts.
I am a big breakfast person. I love eggs.
Me too. Scrambled eggs with vegetables.
Scrambled eggs. That means you mix the egg and cook it, right?
Exactly. Not fried. Scrambled is healthier.
And what about people who skip breakfast? Some people say breakfast is not necessary.
That is true. Some people practice intermittent fasting.
Intermittent fasting. That is a big phrase.
It means you only eat during certain hours. For example, you might eat from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. only.
So you skip breakfast completely?
Yes, some people say it gives them more energy and helps them focus.
Interesting. But I think I will be too hungry.
Everyone is different. You have to find what works for you.
True. Sarah, what about exercise? Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do. That is my favorite part.
Really? Exercise is your favorite part of the morning?
Absolutely. After I drink water and stretch, I go for a run or I do yoga.
How long do you exercise?
About 30 minutes, sometimes 20 minutes if I'm very busy.
And you do this at 6 a.m.?
Yes, at first it was hard, but now I love it. It gives me so much energy for the entire day.
I wish I could do that. I'm too tired in the morning.
That is because you hit the snooze button 3 times.
You're right. Okay, you have convinced me. I would try waking up earlier.
Good. Start small. Maybe just 15 minutes of walking.
Walking I can do. What about people who are not morning people? You know, some people are night owls.
Night owls. Yes, that is a great expression.
It means people who stay up late and wake up late.
Right. They are most productive at night, not in the morning.
Can a night owl become a morning person?
Yes, but it takes time, maybe 2 or 3 weeks to change your habit.
That is not too long. How do you change?
You have to be consistent. That means you do the same thing every day.
Every day? Even on weekends?
Especially on weekends. If you wake up at 6 a.m. Monday through Friday, but sleep until 11 a.m. on Saturday, your body gets confused.
Oh, I see. You have to train your body.
Exactly. Your body loves routine.
Sarah, can we talk about something important? What about people who have children?
Oh, yes, parents. Morning routines are different for parents.
Very different. My sister has 3 kids. Her mornings are chaos.
Chaos means very messy and loud, right?
Yes, everyone is crying or shouting. She has to make breakfast for 3 people, find shoes, pack school bags. It is crazy.
That sounds exhausting.
It is. So how can parents have a good morning routine?
I think they need to wake up before the children.
Before the children?
That means waking up even earlier.
I know it is hard, but if you wake up 30 minutes before your kids, you have quiet time for yourself.
Ah, I understand. You drink your coffee in peace.
Exactly. You prepare mentally for the busy day ahead.
That is good advice. I would tell my sister.
Also, parents can prepare things the night before.
What things?
Clothes, bags, lunches. If everything is ready, the morning is less stressful.
Less stressful means more calm.
Yes, you aren't running around looking for a lost sock.
Lost socks. Every parent's nightmare.
Michael, let's talk about the benefits of a morning routine. Why is it so important?
Okay, yes, let's break it down. What is the first benefit?
The first benefit is control. When you have a routine, you control your day instead of your day controlling you.
That is powerful. You are the boss of your morning.
Exactly. You decide how you want to feel.
What is the second benefit?
Energy. A good morning routine gives you energy for the whole day.
Because of the exercise and the healthy breakfast.
Yes, and because you're not rushing. Rushing makes you tired.
That is true. When I rush, I forget things. I feel stressed.
The third benefit is productivity. That means you get more work done.
How does a morning routine help you work better?
Because you start the day with small wins. You woke up on time, you exercised, you ate well, you already achieved 3 things before 8 a.m.
Oh, I see. It builds momentum.
Momentum, great word. It means you keep moving forward with energy.
Like a ball rolling down a hill, it gets faster and faster.
Exactly. What is the fourth benefit?
Mental health. A routine is good for your mind.
Yes, very good for your mind. It reduces anxiety.
Anxiety means worry or fear, right?
Correct. When you know what to expect each morning, you feel safe and calm.
No surprises.
Well, life always has surprises, but at least your morning is stable.
Stable. I like that word. It means steady and reliable.
Yes, and the fifth benefit is discipline.
Discipline means self-control.
Exactly. When you wake up early, even though you want to sleep, you're building discipline.
And discipline helps in all areas of life. Work, relationships, health.
Absolutely. Discipline is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets.
Sarah, we should give our listeners some homework.
Homework? For our listeners?
Yes, a fun challenge.
Okay, I love challenges. What's the challenge?
Here is what you do. For the next 7 days, I want everyone listening to create a simple morning routine.
7 days, 1 week. That's perfect.
Here's what you do. Choose 3 simple things.
Like what?
Number 1, wake up at the same time every day.
Even weekends?
Even weekends. Write down the time. Set your alarm. Put the alarm far from your bed.
Good. What's number 2?
Number 2, drink 1 glass of water immediately when you wake up.
Before coffee, before checking your phone, just water.
Exactly. And number 3, do 5 minutes of stretching or walking or any gentle movement.
Just 5 minutes. Anyone can do 5 minutes.
That is the point. We want this to be easy so people actually do it.
And after 7 days, they will feel different.
They will feel more energized, more focused, and more in control.
I love this challenge, and it is great English practice.
How is it English practice?
Because they can think in English during their routine. I am drinking water. I am stretching my arms. I feel good today.
Oh, that is brilliant. Practice English while building healthy habits.
2 benefits in 1.
Okay, listeners, we have given you the challenge. Will you accept it?
I hope so. And please tell us in the comments. Write, I accept the challenge.
Yes, comment below and let us know how it goes. Now, Michael, before we finish, let's talk about one more thing.
What is that?
Gratitude.
Gratitude? You mean being thankful?
Yes, many successful people say that gratitude is the most important part of their morning routine.
How do you practice gratitude in the morning?
It is very simple. When you wake up, think of 3 things you are grateful for.
3 things. Like what?
Anything. I am grateful for my health. I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for this beautiful day.
That is nice. It starts your day with positive thoughts.
Exactly. Instead of thinking about problems, you think about good things.
Does it really make a difference?
Yes, scientists have studied this. People who practice gratitude are happier and less stressed.
Wow, just from thinking thankful thoughts?
Yes, it changes your mindset.
Mindset means your way of thinking.
Correct. If you wake up thinking, oh no, I have so much work today, you will feel bad.
But if you wake up thinking, I am grateful I have a job and I am healthy enough to work, you feel better.
Exactly. Same situation, different perspective.
Perspective means point of view.
Yes, gratitude gives you a positive perspective.
I want to try this. Tomorrow morning, I will think of 3 things I am grateful for.
Good. You can even write them in a journal.
A journal? You mean a notebook?
Yes, some people keep a gratitude journal. Every morning, they write down 3 things.
That sounds peaceful. Writing in the morning with a cup of coffee.
It is. And after 1 month, you can look back and see all the good things in your life.
That is beautiful, Sarah. I am feeling inspired right now.
Me too. Talking about morning routines makes me excited for tomorrow morning.
Same here. I cannot wait to try everything we discussed.
Michael, we have talked about so much today. Let's do a quick summary for our listeners.
Good idea. Let's review the main points.
Number 1, stop hitting the snooze button. Put your alarm far from your bed.
Number 2, drink water first thing in the morning.
Number 3, do not look at your phone immediately. Wait at least 30 minutes.
Number 4, do some gentle stretching or exercise.
Number 5, eat a healthy breakfast or practice intermittent fasting if that works for you.
Number 6, wait 30 to 60 minutes before drinking coffee.
Number 7, practice gratitude. Think of 3 things you are grateful for.
And number 8, be consistent. Do the same routine every day.
Perfect summary, Michael.
Thank you. We make a good team.
We do. Okay, everyone, I think that is all for today.
Wait. Before we finish, we have one last important message.
Oh yes, the most important message.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Easy English Lessons and Podcast.
Click that subscribe button right now. It helps us so much.
And hit the like button. Give us a thumbs up.
Share this episode with your friends. Send it to someone who needs a better morning routine.
And leave a comment below. We have a question for you.
Yes, here is the question. What time do you usually wake up? And what is the first thing you do in the morning?
Tell us in English. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just write.
We read every single comment and we love hearing from you.
You can also tell us if you will try our 7-day morning routine challenge.
Yes, write I accept the challenge in the comments.
We will be cheering for you.
Okay, Michael, I think we can finish now.
Yes, thank you so much for listening, everyone.
We hope this episode helps you create a morning routine that makes you feel amazing.
Remember, small changes create big results.
You don't need to change everything at once. Just start with 1 or 2 things.
Exactly. Progress, not perfection.
We will see you in the next episode.
Until then, have a wonderful week and enjoy your beautiful mornings.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Wake up early and seize the day.